Intro. Hello. Hi. Alright, hi guys. Today's video is going to be on my bangs. I've made the last couple of my videos, well, the recent ones, I had bangs. I had recently cut my bangs. I said in my last videos that I did. And I liked it. I kind of did this, like, you know, just a regular straight across type thing. My vegan sausage reviews, I looked in the computer screen because that's where my kind of mirror is, and I look at it and I'm like, I look like Edna Mode or whatever because of my short bob with the bangs. So I was like, I think I want to let my hair grow a little bit more and then recut my bangs. I had found a picture of myself when I was looking through my old pictures, and I had this type of bang where it was like, it was basically cut like this, and it was like wispy, and then it started going down. So my hair was basically up to my back, like my lower back, and then I had did a couple of months ago, I had did like a big chop, like totally up to here, basically up to here. This video is going to be my first video of me showing you how I cut my bangs. Maybe it will help somebody. Maybe it can help somebody. Who knows? I'm just showing you how I do it. I'm not a professional hairstylist, but I cut my own hair. I've done it for 10 plus years. So, you know, I didn't say I was spectacular, but I do a pretty good job. So I'm going to give it a try, and we'll see how you like it. But I pretty much got an idea of what I'm going to do. So, first things first, let's start off by washing my hair. These are the shampoo and conditioner that I use to wash my hair with, and I highly recommend the Kirkland Moisture Conditioner. It is the best conditioner I have ever used. I wanted to take the time out to show you my shower head, a little snippet of it. It's a filtered shower head with rainbow lights. It's really cool. And this is the only footage I have available with my hair dry before I even started cutting my hair, before the whole camera mess up thing happened and ruined my whole footage. Alright, so this is what happened. I was recording that whole time and my camera did some weird stuff. My annoying camera did some weird stuff where it just froze. So all the stuff I did of me cutting my hair and all that stuff, I didn't get. So I'm gonna reenact what I did. I'm so upset. I'm so upset. Alright, so okay, I'm trying to calm down right now. Let me give you the gist and reenact everything I did. So I had my hair washed and dried. It was just like basically this is the end result, obviously, but I was saying that some people look good with bangs and some people look good with their hair parted. I think a lot of people, most people look good with bangs, but for some reason bangs for me is like a fall thing, like a fall winter thing. And like usually in the summer, bangs stick to your forehead or it gets like parted, or the wind blows, you look like a peacock, whatever. So this is the end result of what I got that I usually do with my hair, and I wanted to show you, like, reenact how I did it because I'm so upset that I didn't catch any of it. Because look at this, look at all this hair that I cut. There's more than that, it's all over the place. Okay, let me gather myself correctly. So what I did was I had this tool, this hair cutter tool, shaver, and I had this hair cutter scissors, okay? And I have this HSI hair straightener from Amazon that I use. Alright, so I had gotten that ready, and what I did was my hair didn't look like this. So let me just, undo this because I showed you how I did my bun as well. So let's just say it was like this, and my hair, this part, like my hair was basically like this. I had my bangs like this, and that was it. And what I wanted was these little like falling waterfall things on the side. So what I did is I first layered out this corner. I got this corner, and I got this corner ready, and what I did was I cut them to basically like whatever my top under my eyebrows right here, and I cut them, and after I cut them I did something like this. I'm gonna do a little bit more because I wanted more, but like this. After I cut them straight, I cut them this way to choppy them up so they don't look like straight bangs. I choppy them up. And I'm going to do some more choppy them up. So choppy them up like this. I'm going crazy right now. It's like stress relieving for me. I don't want to go too crazy, but so okay, so I choppy them up, choppy my hair up like that. Made it choppy. Alright, so I choppied it up like that. It's a little bit choppy. It's still straight, but you know, you could do as much choppy as you want. Choppy, choppy. I feel like chopping up more now. I'm gonna chop it up like more higher. I'm gonna choppy it up more higher. Why not? Why not, right? Messed up my whole video. Might as well start chopping up my hair. Gotta be careful now. Whatever. That's it. I'm doing it like that. Choppy there. It's not just straight. It has a little like jaggedy edge. So that's what I did. And then I had these long strands, like straight up long. And what I did was I went like this and measured it to my lip. And then I started and I slowly closed the scissor a little bit and I pulled it down. So it was short and it got longer as it went down. And I did the same thing on this side. I used the same hand, measured to my lip, and then did it like that, and then slowly brought it down. And after I did that, I fixed it up, you know, the pieces that I felt like I needed to be more fixed up. I fixed it up. And then after that, I had straightened my bangs. I had first split it in two. I did this layer first. See, some people like their bangs like thin like this, so they're like, ooh. Actually, it's nice like this. Thin. It's thin. It's thin. So they like it thin. If you want, you could have it thin. You don't have to pull that much bang forward. It'll probably look like this. But I like them full bangs. And then I pulled that down and I straightened that part. And then after that, I did this. I put my straightening iron here and I twisted it a little bit and pulled it out. I did like this, pulled it out. And for this, I did this. For example, I'll go like that and then I went like this to keep it up. And then I curved it into like a C. And it curved down and then it spread out like that. And for my bun, I wanted to do like this messy bun look. I'm going to show you again how I did it. So what I did was I gathered as much hair as I could. Alright? And if you have shorter hair than me, then you would have to pin the back up. But so what I did was I go like this. Grab this part. Have a hair tie in your wrist that you're holding the hair in. Go like that. Okay? And what you do is now you're going to pull this hair forward like that. And this hand is going to grab the end, the top of the other part, okay? It's holding on to it now. Now you're going to push it forward, okay? Push it forward. Take this band, tie it around the base like that, and then turn it like that. And then the second one, you're going to take as much as you like that, like a big portion, and then you're going to just put it in the middle. something like the middle. Okay, that's not good. I did it perfectly before. Let's try again. Okay. Gather this nonsense up. Pull it to the front. Boom. Now it's like bumpy. Pull it around. And then something like that. Whatever. So if you want it more to the front, obviously you're going to push it forward and clip it with like little tiny mini clips. Or you could just take a bobby pin like I did and whatever. Put it like that and clip it. And it looks like this. You know? You might want to like hairspray around and stuff like that, you know? I have hair on my face. So let me take off my glasses. Maybe you can see better. See how the front is like choppy? It's not like straight. Let me look myself. Yeah, it's choppy. Like this part. That's from cutting it like this. And then the waterfall bang, the waterfall sides. And it's like a full bang. See, it's very airy and like that. Like I would normally just leave it like this. But, oh, I got hair all over myself. What you can do is you can also hairspray. I'm going to show you the hairspray I have. It was highly recommended and I got it at Target, and it's wonderful. I love it. I'm going to show that to you right now. I'm going to go get it. And I'll be right back. Alright, so this is this hairspray. It's called L'Oreal Paris El Net Satin. This is the extra strong hold. I think they have something with like color or whatever. But this is really great. I'm not going to put it in my bun or anything. I'm just going to do a little bit, just a little spritzer like that. Whatever. Sometimes I just like to put it in my hand a little bit. And just go like that. So it's like directly onto where I need it. Whatever. And just like separate it. Now, this is another trick. Fingertips like that, and then you're going to push up. Push it up like you're pushing it up from the back up like that, and then like that, so it keeps it a little bit bumped up from the bottom, so it doesn't always flatten down. And then you just go like this, a little bit like that, and like that. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. And that's it. So I'm gonna put down in the description box the link to one of these hair shavers. I use that a little bit, and some hair scissors. I suggest using hair scissors because I said on the video that didn't like record me, I said do not use anything but hair scissors. Like just don't. I've done it before. If you don't have anything else, fine, it works, but just don't. Invest in some cheap ones, who cares? So that's about it. You know what, I said other stuff in the video I don't even know anymore. I got so upset and I had to just cool down and just think, like, should I do a reenactment? Because I really wanted to show how I cut my bangs and everything, but I had to show by reenacting a little bit. Oh yeah, and I said that I've been taking biotin pills. Oh my gosh, I'm taking 10,000 mcgs, and it's like I feel like it's working because my hair used to be thicker and fuller, but now I feel like it's been thinning. But I know that the biotin is working because my scalp's been getting itchy, and I'm thinking that's because like new hair is growing. That's what happens when new hair grows. So that, and then I could feel like less hair will be falling out, and I just feel the difference. And also my skin, I've been taking it for like almost a week now, and my skin feels so different. Had to make sure my camera was on because of what happened before. Alright, so I came back with my St. Ives Gentle Smoothing Oatmeal Scrub and Mask. This is what I picked. They had like green tea and other ones, I don't remember now. They have apricot. Obviously I used to use the old apricot one, but this is the one I just got and I used, and this is a gentle exfoliator. They have gentle, moderate, and deep, but this, oh my gosh, I had just used it and I feel like my skin is just like, I don't even know. This is what it is. I'm gonna basically leave links in the description box for all the tools I use, my hair straightener I have. I really highly suggest this. This is super cheap. This is like $20, $20 something with free shipping if you have Prime or whatever. But this is great. It doesn't snag. It doesn't smell like burning hair and whatever, all that nonsense. And I didn't use any heat protectant. I didn't use nothing on my hair. So yeah, I totally recommend this. Totally. It just like, I have like oily skin, but when I use this, it just is just, I don't know. I'm just so happy. My skin looks really nice to me. So that's what I used. And this is what I look like without my glasses. And this is what I look like with my glasses. Excuse me for all this hair on my face, because I'm just disheveled, you know. I'm just disheveled. Hair all over my face. I was talking with hair on my face. I had gotten hair in my eyes. All this stuff. Choppy. Alright, so this is how I look. Hair on me. Alright. This is how I look. And I didn't do my makeup and all that nonsense. It's late. I'm just going to go to sleep. There's no point in me to do my makeup. I'm going to be doing some more videos tomorrow. So that's about it. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you next time. Bye.